Hello guys, this is Slowness here. We'll be doing a noise test to the Xbox 360. Now I bought this with my birthday money at $160. It's cost me $148. That's what the Xbox cost. So anyway, I couldn't wait to get the Xbox 360, so I went ahead and picked it up from GameStop. This is a 250 gig. I'll grab the hard drive out. It's simple to grab it out. See? Xbox 360 branding. 250 gigabyte. Put it back in the slide. Put the cover back on. By the way, when I said I was going to do a hotel tour, I was trying to film, but my iPod died on me halfway, so I couldn't do it. So, next time when I go Great Wolf Lodge, I'll try to do a hotel tour. But except I can bring the portable charger with me this time. Anyway, let's get to the noise test. Here we go. Alright, that was it for the noise test. I accidentally pushed the eject button when I was trying to let you guys hear the disc spinning. I'm sorry about that. Although the eject button and the power button was touch capacity. So anyway, that was it. Subscribe.